Question number 9. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB parallel to DC and its diagonal intersect each other at the point O. Show that AO by BO is equal to CO by EO. Draw OE parallel to DC. In triangle ADC, OE parallel to DC, therefore remaining sides of triangle ADC are in proportional. Remaining side AD and AC. AD ratio AE by ED is equal to AC ratio AO by OC by BPT. Number 1. In triangle ABED, OE parallel to AB, therefore remaining sides are proportional. AE by ED is equal to BD side ratio BO by OD by BPT. Equation number 2. From equation first and second, left hand side equal, therefore right hand side equal. AO by OC equal to BO by OD. By alternate property, AO by BO is equal to OC by OD. Reason alternate property.